Good morning, class. So, today, in the last class, we have completed this chapter. Now, I hope you have all read the recap these points. You have read this, so you have understood the chapter. One thing I missed, that is the value, our values. From this chapter, we are learning some values. This is what the people who help us at home by cooking, cleaning and washing for us are also part of our family. We must always respect them and treat them nicely and politely. You all must have seen that some maids are coming to our home to clean our home, to cook, washing. For many things they are coming to our home and also going to the different kinds of family also. So they are also doing their work and we should always respect them, treat them nicely and politely. So this is the one value which we get from this chapter. Now this is the recap. I hope you all have read the recap. Now can you see this glossary part? These are the meanings. So you have to learn. Can you see that I have written learn? You have to learn these meanings. You don't have to write in the copy. Only thing you have to learn these meanings. Got it, everyone? Now, come up to page number 13. Page number 13 is exercise. Now, take a pencil and copy down the exercises. The first is the fill in the blanks. A group of people who are related to each other are called a family. A family where the children live with only one parent is called a single parent family. Third, a family tree shows the relationship between the different members of a family. Fourth, a family grows up when a member marries. The last one, the birth of a child makes a family happy. So here we have completed the fill in the blanks. Now we will be doing the match the column. Nuclear family, 3 or 4 members. Marriage, a new member in the family. Family changes over time. Siblings, elders or younger brothers or sisters. Working parents, crèche. Why crèche? Because crèche in crèche they put their small children over there when they go for working. Now come up to the true false. A family with many members is called a nuclear family. This is false. There are many families where children live with one parent only. That is wrong because there are very few families. So it is false. When a female member of a family marries, she brings a new member into the family as her husband. True. What? When a male member marries, he brings a new member. Again, if this one is marrying, so it is also true. Parents can add to their family by adopting a child. When we adopt a child, our family increases. So this is also true. In some places in India, the husband lives with his family, with his wife and her parents. It is true because in some part of India, husbands live with their wife's parents, with their wife and her parents. So this is also true. Now come up to choose the correct answers. A small family with only 3 or 4 members is called nuclear family. A nuclear family is made up of parents and their children. The size and structure of a family may change because of a marriage. Till here it's done. Now turn the page. The fourth one. The birth of a child makes a family bigger. Our brother and sister is also known as our brother and sisters our brother or sister is known as our cousins. What are they known as? Our cousins. I have not better put tick mark. Please tick it. Now, in the next class, I will be giving you the question answers. For the question answers, you have to make one copy. In the copy, you will be writing only the question answers. What you will be writing in the copy? Only the question answers. And the copy will be like this. Can you see this copy? Both side single line copy. A single line copy you have to make it. It should be both side ruled. Another thing that you should need an index. What you should need? An index page should be there. In the index page you have to write the date, the name of the chapter, and when we have started, and then when I will be checking it, I will be putting my sign. So in the next video, I will give the question answers. For question answers, you have to make a single line copy, both side ruled. Index should be there, and in index you should write the date when you are writing the question answers. Only the question answers will be written in the copy till I say you have to write anything else. So only the question answers will be written in the copy. Till now, it is over. For the next video, please wait. I will be giving you the question answers. Till then, bye-bye.